Savage by nature. Special colt with Elektra van Drossacker in the third generation. Two first-class performance dam lines have been united in the pedigree of this promising colt. The Grand Prix stallion Mylord Carthago produced a number of top-level horses such as Bingo du Parc, Timon Doré and 22 de Biche. On the dam side, Savage by Nature represents one of world's most successful dam lines. In the third generation, we find Jos Lansing's Grand Prix mare Elektra van Drossacker that foaled already 9 internationally performing offspring, including Ken Farrington's Grand Prix horse Caprice. Besides that, Elektra is Grand Dam of 150-160 level horses like Nelson van Drossacker, L'Esprit Hero Z and Lexicon II van Drossacker.